Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. When we want to count the number of working days between two dates in Excel, we can use NETWORKDAYS function. And it's simple function because she just needs the start date and the end date. That's all. And we have our formula and we can count number of working days between two dates. And it's important that NETWORKDAYS functions counts the start date and the end date, consider them in their calculations. So if the first date and the last date are the same, the number will tell us if the date is a working day. Okay, but for us it's more important to add holidays. So we have the third argument, and in it we just have to select range with proper dates, with holidays, and F4 to lock it, and we can now modify our formula. And the number of working days change based on those holidays. In NETWORKDAYS function, the weekend is considered as Saturday and Sunday, but sometimes we want to modify this, so we can use NETWORKDAYS.INTL function, and the syntax is almost the same. So start date, end date, and now we can modify weekend. So Saturday and Sunday are weekend days in most of the countries, but in this example, let's say we want only Sunday to be weekend. So 11 in here, and then we can add holidays if we want. So proper range, F4 to lock it, and our formula, and we can copy it down. And we can see that the number of working days between dates grow because now Saturday is working day.